Hey everybody, Donnie B, Learn Pro Recording. You know, the site that not only shows you how to do some recording, but how to get paid for it. Hey, I've got a really interesting story that happened in the studio this week. I can't wait to share with you. But first, somebody asked us to create a template for rock vocals for Logic. Here you go, my friend, your rock vocal template, and it's learnprorecording.com/rock template. Can't miss it. You can also use this for rap vocals. It's just got a side chain compression thing going on, which is pretty cool for rock vocals. It's pretty much the standard for rock vocals. But enjoy that. I use stock plugins except for the God particle. If you guys have not yet discovered the God particle, Jason Joshua uses that on every one of his mixes. I'll put a link to it in the description. There's a free trial. But if you're like me, you're going to purchase this before the trial's up because you're just going to love it. Anyway, let's get to the intro and then we'll get to the stories. Thanks for hanging, everybody. This is the last week of October. Monday's the last day of October. It's Halloween, so I'm excited. Everybody's excited about Halloween. Not really. We are just going to move on to the next month. So there you go. Hey, something really interesting happened in the studio this week, and I don't know if everyone can relate. Let's try this. We had a band in, and they were doing a live record. We have a pretty large it's not that 800 square feet tracking room, but the whole band can fit in there at the same time. So this band wanted to record an album project, like 12 or 13 songs, all live, playing live, no click. They did have headphones because they needed to hear the singer, but other than that, man, everything was entirely live. Everybody in the same room. We did isolate the guitar amplifier in another room, but other than that, everything was in the room. Drums, bass, guitar, and vocals. It was pretty cool. The guys the band was pretty cool. The band was pretty tight. The songs were great. Kind of indie rockish kind of thing. They're great lyrics. It was fun. And then there was one song that they played, and I had never heard these songs. There was a producer involved. He was in the room with us. I had never heard these songs. So there was one song that he played that was really an interesting song. But I thought that they were using the wrong instrumentation. It was more of an acoustic thing, and the guy, they were using an electric guitar and electric bass and big drums, and this song was kind of a little bit more intimate. There you go. That's a great word. And so I suggested to the producer that they try it acoustically. We have a cajon, so I pulled out the cajon. I gave the guitar player a acoustic guitar. We DI'd it, and just kind of turned the lights way down low. We lit some candles, and the song was very, like I said, intimate, very emotional, if you will. And we were able to capture, and I don't know if everyone has this one moment in their studio or in their career that they were able to capture the soul of the band, the over emotional outpouring of the soul, the heart of the band. We were able to capture that. There was not a dry eye in the entire studio on this song, and it was awesome. And I gotta just say that doesn't happen very often, but when it does, it is an amazing moment that just reaffirms why we do this for a living, why we go through all the other things that we have to do to get to this moment where that one song can come through and just touch your heart and touch your soul. It was amazing, and there was one of my interns was here, and even this guy understood exactly what that was and what that moment. It was a very special moment with everyone involved. So I do appreciate the band for being here. They were amazing. We had a lot of fun. And the project's going to be great. I can't wait for the project to come out because that one song is on there. And it's just one of those songs that every time you hear it, it's going to pull at your heartstrings. And it means something to everyone because everyone has a mom. And it's going to be awesome. You guys, I can't wait to share with you when the project comes out. Right now it's a little bit secret, but when it comes out, I'm going to share with everyone. And hopefully you guys get the same feeling that we in the studio got that day. It's just one of those moments, man. Anyway, I'm glad I was able to share with everyone about that. Hopefully everyone experiences that at least once in their career because it's one of those moments where you just know. You just know that that was the time. That was why. That's the thing that makes it why. It confirms why we do this, why we are the way we are. And I don't know. I'm still kind of taken by it because it was such a beautiful moment. And I appreciate the band for being here for that. So hey, I'm giving the template. Again, here's the link for the template. It's learnprorecording.com/rock template. Go grab that, man. It's the last free template for the month. We've brought you templates every week this month, and hopefully you guys have gotten some value out of that, and you've enjoyed some working with them and stuff. And you know what? Open them, make them your own, change them how you like them. It's totally fine. They're all pretty simple, so the routing's pretty simple there. One last week we gave away was the special the celebrity template by producer and engineer named Chromatic. He actually saw it, and he actually texted and put a comment on the YouTube video there. You guys can go see that from last week. I'll actually put a thing right there so you guys can see it. It's pretty funny because he commented on it. I guess he saw. I guess maybe he follows us. I don't know. So, but anyway, that was awesome to see Taylor Cromie reach out and leave a template. So, hey, some other stuff, man. We got some pretty cool stuff. I'm not ready to talk about. Why I even say these things, I don't know. I can't talk about it just yet. Next week, possibly, I'll be able to talk about that. But we got some other things. There's a basic, one of our basic courses I want to give you for free. We've been giving this away for free. LearnProRecording.com/basics. It's a short mini course all about the basics of signal flow. So go enjoy that. It's 100% free. Just grab it. It's right there for you. It's pretty quick. You can probably do it in an afternoon, but hopefully there's some great information in there that you guys can understand. It's about basically understanding signal flow and then basic patch bays and how they work, and then it goes into explaining a hybrid mix and what that is and why we do those things. So there you go. Also, if you want, go grab the Studio Growth Formula. This thing's really popular. It's one of our more popular giveaways. LearnProRecording.com/Studio Growth Formula. This is something that's going to help you build and grow and scale your studio into something that could possibly help you quit your day job. Let's leave the 9-to-5 world and get into doing what we do for a living. Because when we have that one song that touches your heart, you understand why we do these things that we do. So I'm so super happy that I'm able to share that with everyone today. And when that song comes out, I'll share it again, because it's just one of those things that just touches. And it was a moment in the studio. So I'm glad you guys had that. I'm glad we had that. I'm really happy that I was here and was able to experience that thing. And I can't wait to share it with you guys when the song does come out. So go grab that. Go grab all the freebie stuff this week. I'll have links to in the description about where to go grab all the stuff. I'll also put a link to the God Particle trial. Go check out that plugin, man. That plugin is pretty cool. I've actually adapted using it on every mix that I work on actually every project, even recording projects. I'll turn it up, I'll turn it on and turn it down and just use it, because it just makes things feel better while you're working, So there's that. Anyway, have a great week, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'm glad we got to hang out for a few minutes. And next week is November. So we're going to have some stuff coming up for November, which is going to be a surprise. Can't wait. We got Black Friday coming up too, so y'all wait for that. They got some cool stuff happening for that. Have a great week, ladies and gentlemen. Get ready. That holiday season is going to be right around the corner, so start thinking about your Christmas shopping, all that cool stuff. And we will see. I know, right? It just feels like summer just ended. So there you go. Enjoy, ladies and gentlemen. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for hanging out. While you're down there looking at the description, in the description, looking at the links, go ahead and click subscribe, man. Let's build up these YouTube subscribers so we can start reaching more people, getting out there a little bit more. So I appreciate each and every one of y'all, and we will talk soon. Thank you so much. Donnie B, I'm out. Peace.